Welcome everybody back. This is a struggle. My connection is not being nice to me during this live stream, but I really want to film this for you guys live here. This massive profits here that we got in basically less than an hour, guys. Okay, up currently $47. We're kind of staircasing higher right now, so you can see that I basically spotted to enter the trade when we bounced off the support level right here, and then we had our second pullback, and now we're having a little bit of consolidation, but we're pretty much in the breakout right now, guys. So I'm not expecting a major pullback here or anything. I think we're going to keep breaking out higher. We could be at $1,900 plus within the next day or two. Okay, so let's see here. Ask me any questions, guys. Join the stream, comment. 7 live viewers. Awesome. Awesome stuff, guys. I think I got the stream connection and quality fixed. Let me know if that's the case, but welcome to our live 7 viewers, guys. I am live trading on Fairdesk from beginning to end, guys. You saw me enter these trades. I entered the Bitcoin trade about 2 days ago. I just entered this ETH trade today. And, in basically an hour or so, we are already moving into profit territory, okay? And right now, after I double down a bit, we are aiming at $215 profit on ETH there. That'll definitely pay for a nice dinner. And, of course, you can join Fairdesk today, guys. Link in the description below. I also posted a link in the chat section and to my Right Trader Telegram group as well, guys. You see the profits that we're making on these trades. It is so cheap to join the Telegram group and join a community of like-minded traders and start becoming profitable like me today. Okay. My level of expertise here after 8 years of trading, I entered this literal exact bottom of the pullback candle before we got the pump, guys. And we still have $2,600 to add to our trades to double down or whatever. But I don't even think I'm going to do that, right? We're have extremely low liquidation prices, okay, which means that it's almost impossible for me to get liquidated. So you can see here, Bitcoin would have to drop to $327 and ETH to $579, which makes it virtually impossible for me to get liquidated, okay? I just saw a comment here from Steven asking, what are your stops on this trade? Well, guess what? I'm not using any stops on this trade because I'm managing my risk properly, okay? I'm using 2x leverage on Bitcoin, 6x leverage on ETH, guys, and I'm truly giving you guys gold for free here, okay? I can't promise you that I'm always going to make trading live streams like this because this type of stuff is ultimately going to be reserved. And my exact entries, my exact take profits, when I do have stop losses, where I average down, this is all given to you in the Right Trader Elite Telegram group, guys. But there's no free lunch. So if you want this level of expertise, you want this level of professional trading, and you want to become profitable yourself, well, there is a cost to that, and I made it for cheap as possible for you guys to get my 8 years of experience given to you, okay? Can you learn this on yourself? Maybe. If you want many sleepless nights and staring at Bitcoin charts all day, which might not be the funnest thing for some people, I personally enjoy it. Yes, maybe in a matter of years you can get there, but there is no bypass, okay? The only thing that will speed up the journey is having a mentor and a trader who knows what he's doing like me for you guys, and that's why I made the Telegram group after a lot of people requested it, okay? And Stephen Pietres says, thanks, that makes sense, of course. I love answering your questions, love helping you guys out, right? I'm all here to help you guys get knowledge on trading properly from someone who knows what he's doing, and that you can avoid a lot of newbie mistakes and a lot of mistakes that I even made personally, okay? A lot of the time, guys, I would trade with, for example, let's just say 10x, and I would take a 1% stop loss, okay? So on a 10x leverage, you need to increase that by 10. So if you put a 1% stop, right, based on the spot price, that's going to be actually a 10% loss on your account, guys, okay? You lose 3 trades, you just lost 30% of your account. Now, that might seem obvious to some, but a lot of newbie traders, including myself back in the day, that's what I was doing, okay? And I would get wrecked as a result. So I actually like a lot of the time not even putting stops, okay? Because crypto is so volatile that you might get stopped out and then it bounces right back up, okay? So I'd rather just manage my risk right from the start and not even have to worry about a stop, okay? I know that Bitcoin is only going to go up, and I know that it's not going to hit that $286 price target. So, I can sleep well at night. And so I just updated our pattern here. I love it. Live update these patterns in these trades. Okay, so you see initially here, we'll make this a little bit bigger. I drew in this downtrend line. We'll make that in red, okay, because we had initially gone a little bit of a pump, then we pulled back. Okay, we were in the red actually for a little bit, but it didn't last long because, like I said, guys, there was no reason for us to see a major pullback. We're uptrending. We're putting in higher lows, as you can see here. And now the updated pattern, right, since we got this was a very quick spike, guys. I mean, let's see the exact time frame that we're talking about from this candle up here, guys. That was, let's see, that was a very, very quick pump. Man, my internet is making this painful for me. Hopefully the stream quality is still good for you guys, though. Let me check. Yeah, the stream quality is still good. Let's just see here when I can draw on the chart. We can go over to Trading View. So this spike that we got here, which I recorded live on the live stream, might post a separate video of that actually. In a matter of exactly 8 minutes, okay, we moved over 0.5% there for ETH. Okay, so yes, we're getting a little bit of a pullback now, but I updated the chart pattern, okay, which is why you need to learn these things, guys. And you can go on Google and study a whole bunch of chart patterns and probably get a very unstable foundation for your trading, or you can join the Right Trader Telegram group and get the best of the best posted to you on a daily basis. Okay, link in the description down below to both the Telegram group and the Desk exchange, which is the exchange that I use personally for all my crypto trading here. We're trading USDT futures contracts with leverage on Desk here. And why am I confident that this pattern is going to hold? Well, guess what, guys? I'm telling you right now, you want live predictions? We're going to bounce right now, okay? We're in 1868. We're right on our support level that I just drawn in because I updated the pattern, guys. Now we are in a, basically a, what is this called? I just posted a video on this just the other day. Megaphone pattern, okay? We're in a small megaphone pattern, and I'll draw these in a different color and a little bit bigger to make this a bit clearer for you guys. There we go. We're going to make these purple. I love trading with purple trend lines for some reason. I don't know why. I just always use purple for these trend lines. And basically, right, why am I confident that we're not going to pull back lower? Well, like I said, we are uptrending here, guys, but our pullback, okay, was actually here. Okay, this is just a bit of consolidation here before we make the next step higher. The pullback was the retest. Okay, I'm going to zoom in really close. We're on the 1 minute chart, guys. I really want you to learn this stuff. This candle right here was our retest of our trend line. Now, we didn't come exactly and test that because we had a lot of strength. But now, okay, we're probably going to start trading in this little trend line that I drew here. We're on the 5 minute time frame, so we could get a little bit more of a pullback. But if we move out to the 5 minute or 15 minute here, you can get a better picture. And I'll even draw in another uptrend line here. So if we get a pullback, right, it's about as low as we would go is here. But I personally don't think we're even going to go that low. I think we have a lot more strength now. I can't make this live stream forever, but I'll try and keep this running for a couple, maybe 10, 20 more minutes and see what happens with this trade live. Thank you for your comment and support, Stephen. I really do appreciate it. And thank you, of course, to anybody who joined the Right Trader Telegram group today. I'm sure you'll find it to be very worth it. Once you join a something like this, guys, I don't think you'll ever want to leave, right? There's just too much value being given to you. playing around with this area here. We have quite a lot of support actually now in this area of 1867. So we'll just see how this plays out. Let's go back to Bitcoin though, see what's going on with Bitcoin. Bitcoin at $30,252 right now. Someone had asked us if we were going to break 30,300 today earlier in the live stream. Well, we actually did. We did pull back a bit from that, right? Because we're so range bound right now. So you know, don't be surprised with this up and down price action. Because you know the whole reason why we're seeing a lot of this choppiness is because we are range bound here. Okay, if I go ahead and pull up my Bitcoin charts, you see the range we're in. Okay, the good thing though, and why I'm going long, is we're at in the bottom area of this trade. Okay, now what I don't like to do, guys, I'll tell you this right now, what I don't like to do is to enter a trade in these ranges when you're around the middle area, which is why I had specifically drawn out a line here. We're going to make this even bigger. This yellow line, okay, that shows me the sort of middle area of this range where there's a lot of up and down. The maximum amount of choppiness and fake outs is right here in the middle area of these ranges. Okay, so you need to be very careful ever going long or short here, because you know 1 second you might be up but then you're down again. Okay, because you're in the middle of the range. At least, okay, let's say you short the upper area of this range, you're still good. Okay, if you long the lower area of this range, you're still good as well. But when you're in the middle area, that's where I really tend to be careful with this setup. Because, you know, typically Bitcoin, after getting a big pump, right, it enters this really choppy consolidation, okay? And a lot of people don't know how to trade this. There's a couple other strategies with hedging, okay, that you can trade these, but I'm not going to share this on this live stream, guys. That is, you know, I can't give you guys all the secrets, and I will start teaching everybody in the Right Trader Telegram group how to trade these with hedge mode and make insane profits while everybody is getting wrecked in the chop. But this is something that I just cannot share for free in the live stream, guys. I'm sorry. You know, I'll give you a hint, but I can't give you all the sauce. Going back to ETH here. We're getting a green candle now. We're at 1868. Steven saying no problem. Thank you. Thank you for your support, Steven, once again. If any of you guys want to drop a like and a comment, I would greatly appreciate that. Getting a little bit tired there at the charts. Like I said, guys, our take profits are set. Our proper risk management is set as well here. 2x on the Bitcoin, 6x on the ETH. You can see our liquidation prices here. Very unlikely, if not impossible, to get hit. Especially for Bitcoin, definitely impossible. And I'm just going to let these play out, guys. So I'm going to hop off. Thank you so much for your support. Unfortunately, the live stream got split up into 3 here because I had to restart the live stream a couple times due to the internet being bad. But go check those out, guys. Those are re-uploaded on the channel, so you can definitely rewatch that. And I will be seeing you all very soon. Thank you for the support. Make sure, guys, smash that like button one last time. Subscribe, drop a comment. And also, guys, link to Fairdesk and to the Right Trader Telegram group in the description of this video, okay? And actually, let's see here. If we get enough of a pullback, I'm going to add a little bit more on this pullback here on ETH. Just a little bit, though. If we go down to, we go back on the 1-minute chart. I'm actually going to add a little bit here. Because this is right near our previous pullback there. So we might want to come back and come closer to this red line. About as low as I see it going is my entry right now, short term. You know, if this takes a little bit longer to pan out, it's no problem, guys. and we're getting a bit of a bounce. So I'm glad I added another $100 into that trade while I still could. Okay, guys, that's going to be it. We're probably going to keep moving up in a staircase pattern. So just to give you guys an update, we know that our resistance level is right over here. So we're currently symmetrical triangle. Could pull back down to this purple line. It's possible, guys. Just going to let time do its thing now. No point in staring at this forever. You can see my trades right here, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Thanks for watching.